Good morning everyone. Welcome to UPSC preparation day 9. Today we are going to solve the general studies paper that came in 2023. We are going to solve some of the questions of the general studies paper. So let's start with the first question. It's a true or false question where you have to state that which of the statements are correct. So the statements are: Jhelum River passes through Lar Lake. Krishna River directly feeds into Koleru Lake. Meandering of Gandak River formed Kanwar Lake. So only the first statement is correct, that is Jhelum River passes through Lar Lake. Regarding the second statement, Krishna River does not feed into Koleru Lake. Instead, Budameru and Tamileru rivers feed into Koleru Lake. And meandering of Gandak River did not form Kanwar Lake. Instead, Kanwar Lake was formed by the meandering of Budhi Gandak River and River Bagmati. Second question, it's about matching the following. So we have Kamrajar port, and the first major port in India registered as a company. Mudra port, largest privately owned port in India. Visakhapatnam port, largest container port in India. So among all this statement, only two pairs, 1 and 2, are correct. Kamrajar port is the only corporate port owned by Indian government. And Mundra port is the largest privately owned port in Gujarat. It is owned by Adani. Jawaharlal Nehru is the largest container port in India and not Visakhapatnam. Visakhapatnam is not the largest container port in India. Jawaharlal Nehru port is the largest container port in India. Consider the following trees. How many of them are deciduous? Jackfruit, mawa and teak. Only 2 are deciduous, that is mawa or teak are deciduous for trees, while jackfruit is evergreen. Deciduous trees and evergreen trees, what is the difference between them? Deciduous trees lose their leaves seasonally. Evergreen trees remain evergreen throughout the year. They retain their trees throughout the year. Example of deciduous trees, teak and mawa. Example of evergreen tree, jackfruit. Next question is also about which statements are correct. India has more arable area than China. Proportion of irrigated area is more in India as compared to China. Average productivity per hectare in Indian agriculture is higher than that in China. So only one option is correct, and that is second option. Proportion of irrigated area is more in India as compared to China. Arable land means the land cultivated for crops. China has more arable land compared to India. India's average productivity is less than that in China. Next question, which of the following is a result of repeated falls in sea levels giving rise to present-day marshland? Bhitarnika mangroves, Marakkam salt pans, Navapada swan, or Ran of Kutch? So the answer will be Ran of Kutch. Ran of Kutch is a vast salt marsh located in the Thar Desert of Gujarat. It has formed due to repeated falls in sea levels. The Ran of Kutch Biosphere Reserve is a vast area of seasonal salt marshes, grasslands and forests located in the Indian state of Gujarat. Ilmenite and rutile, abundantly available in certain coastal tracts of India, are rich sources of what? So ilmenite and rutile are rich resources of titanium. They are titanium oxide ores. Next question, about 3/4 of world's cobalt, a metal required for manufacture of batteries for electric motor vehicle, is produced by the Democratic Republic of Congo. Application of cobalt, lithium-ion batteries. Cobalt is a key component in the cathode of lithium-ion batteries. So cobalt is required for manufacture of batteries for electric motor vehicles. Next question, which one of the following is a port of the Congo Basin? Cameroon is a part of Congo Basin. Congo Basin is a vast region in Central Africa that encompasses several countries like Cameroon. Cameroon is the world's second largest river basin. Next comes to another question of true and false. Consider the following statement. Amarkantak Hills are at the confluence of Vindhya and Sahitri ranges. Biliranjan Hills constitute the easternmost part of Satpura range. Sechala Hills constitute southernmost part of Western Ghats. So none of these statements are correct. Amarkantak Hills is a pilgrimage located in Annapur district of Madhya Pradesh. It is the source of Mahanadi, Son and Narmada river. It is located in southeastern Madhya Pradesh. It is a part of the Achanaka Wildlife Sanctuary. Biligiranjan Hills, white White Hills are located in Chamarajanagar district of Karnataka, India. It means White Hills Asian elephant. Shechanam Hills, known as Tirumala ranges, are ranges of eastern Ghats located in southern Andhra Pradesh. Next comes, how many of the following statements are correct? East-west corridor under Golden Quadrilateral connects Dibrugarh and Surat. Trilateral highway connects More in Manipur and Chiangmai in Thailand in Myanmar. Bangladesh, China, India, Myanmar economic corridor connects Varanasi in UP with Kunming in China. So none of the statements are correct. The correct statements are as follows. Golden Quadrilateral connects Srinagar in north, Kanyakumari in south, Silchar in east and Porbandar in east. So remember the 4 points that is connected by Golden Quadrilateral is Srinagar in north, Kanyakumari in south, Silchar in east and Porbandar in west. Trilateral highway connects More in Manipur and Mayasot in Thailand via Myanmar. Bangladesh, China, India, Myanmar economic corridor connects Kolkata with Kunming in China. So next question, again which is true and false. Statement 1. India, despite having uranium deposits, depends on coal for most of its electricity production. Uranium enriched to the extent of at least 60% is required for electricity. Only statement 1 is correct. Major production of electricity is achieved through coal, a thermal power plant, which is around 75% of total power generation. Next, again true and false statement. Marsupials are not naturally found in India. Statement 2. Marsupials can thrive only in mountain grasslands with no predators. So only statement 1 is correct, 2 is not correct. Marsupials are pouch mammals. They are native to Australia. They are mostly found in arid semi-arid regions. So today we are going to study with study up to this. Next day we are going to study about the next part of the paper. Thank you for joining in. See you tomorrow.